This set of Nekhung battery-operated wall sconces is genuinely convenient to install since it needs no wiring and works well in rentals, older homes, or any awkward dark corner. The detachable rechargeable bulbs use a high-capacity battery that comfortably lasts through many evenings on a single charge, avoiding the waste and hassle of disposable batteries. Built-in magnets make it easy to pop the bulbs off the sconces for charging, and the included charging port keeps the whole setup tidy and practical. The lights offer several white color temperatures along with multiple RGB options and adjustable brightness, so you can shift from task lighting to cozy mood lighting without changing fixtures. The touch controls and full-featured remote, including a timer that can shut the lights off automatically, make daily use very simple and help stretch the battery life. Because they do not rely on wall outlets yet still look like permanent fixtures, these sconces work nicely as both functional and decorative lighting in bedrooms, living rooms, and other indoor spaces.